For long shelf life and craveability, these ingredients make a high-class, refined cereal that you can't resist. The ingredients include finely milled grains, stripped of fiber, protein, nutrition, taste, and vitamins, but then enhanced to make them even tastier, sort of nutritious, and so non-filling that you'll want more and more. Those milled grains mixed into a slurry-like dough with water, oil, maltodextrin, corn syrup, sugars, and chemical leavening agents make it airy, sweet, and crispy to the taste. The leavening agents replace natural yeast to help the cereal flakes rise to a crispiness of pleasure. To make this clump-free and free-flowing, some calcium and stuff is added. Now the fun part. The delicious mixture is fed into an extruder, a giant screw-like device that puts the slurry dough through immense pressure and high heat, forcing out puffs of flakes, O's, stars, and other desirable forms. Finally, after heating to a completely dehydrated and crisp form, a coating of artificial vanilla extract, more corn syrup, sugars, oils, vitamins, yeast extract, hydrolyzed proteins, glutamates, coloring, and flavorings are sprayed on to trigger a mind-bending flavor and aroma experience of desire to eat more and more, especially an hour after eating. These ingredients may sound unhealthy, but they are generally recognized as safe. So they gotta be good. And even though some add a bit more sodium, that just makes them great. You may have a little blood sugar spike and crash afterwards, but that's the great part. You'll feel hungry again in an hour, and the combination of fat and sugar is totally addicting. Ain't that cool?